Here I'm at the Waikiki Shore in Waikiki, and today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why now is a great time to buy here at the Waikiki Shore. Okay, the first reason is Waikiki Shore is the only true oceanfront condominium in Waikiki. You have a shave ice, beach services, beautiful sunny day here at Waikiki Shore, and you have a great view of Diamond Head and the Gold Coast out the back. And here we are, and you have a beautiful white sandy beach here in Waikiki, and you're right next door to Fort DeRussy, which is a 70-acre park managed by the US government and military. And right next door, you've got arguably $1 billion resort at Outrigger Reef, and there you've got some great restaurants like Monkey Paw, and there's a Starbucks, and the location itself sells everything. However, in addition to it being a condo, so this is still bullet point number 1, is you can rent them short-term legally. It's resort zone, so you can put them in a hotel pool currently, which is a Castle Resorts, or you can self-manage them. And you can rent them on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, or you can actually live in them. And one of the perks is it's got really low maintenance fees because the HOA owns all the commercial property within Waikiki Shore. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is they just went through an extensive remodel in the lobby here. So I'm going to show you some footage of that. Here we come outside the lobby, heading towards the beach. And one of the cool things about Waikiki Shore, we may have talked about in the past, is the HOA owns all this commercial space here. So it helps offset the maintenance fees for the homeowners because they have the income from the retail spaces here. And there's a lot of cool shops for locals and tourists, surfboard rentals, and you've got a 70-acre park next door at Fort DeRussy. And once again, this is the only oceanfront or beachfront condo in Waikiki. All the prime real estate in Waikiki is taken up by the hotels, so this is the only oceanfront building that you can own fee simple. Bullet point number 3 and why Waikiki Shore is a great buy is it's got a lot of eyeballs on it because everyone and their mother, no pun intended here, it's kind of a term, but everyone wants to get in on the vacation rental craze with AirBnB and VRBO, and you can rent these out short term, but this third bullet point I'm going to talk about is why now is a good time, because this product is not going away. They're not building anything new like this in Waikiki, so it's a supply and demand issue. And then what happened over the last 6 or 7 years is a lot of the buyers demographically buying up Waikiki Shore were from Japan. They were from overseas, and this is not a fair housing thing. This is kind of, it's on public reports. And what happened was in Japan, you could actually get a tax break for depreciation if you were to buy in a building that's older than a certain age, which Waikiki Shore is, and that you can rent it out short term. So these wealthy investors from Japan were buying up Waikiki Shore because you could depreciate it over 7 years. Now, fast forward now, and the yen has, been very weak against the US dollar over the last 6 or 7 years. We had one outlier sale in double O stack, which is gonna be the direct oceanfront there. There was a double O stack, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just around 1,100 square feet that went for $5.7 million. That's well over $5,000 a foot. So that's kind of where things peaked out during COVID. And then now there's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit on the 4th floor. This is part of my bullet point number 3 in that this place is a great buy. They're priced at 2.3 $3 million now. I sold this same unit about 5 years ago for $2.2 million. And if you look at anything else on the island, it's gone up significantly in the last 5 years. So I feel this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, it's unit number 418. It's available for $2.3 million. Is still available. It's going north of 90 days now, coming up on 3.5 to 4 months on market. So if you're in the market for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, legal vacation rental in Waikiki with low maintenance fees, I think Waikiki Shore is the place for you. If you have questions about Waikiki Shore or are interested in any other condo product here in Waikiki, feel free to reach out and give us a shout. Mahalo.